Hello. Gonna be a tutorial on how to make a Hello World program in C++. So the very basics of the coding language is what is pretty much all we're gonna use. And how you start a Hello World program is you're gonna want to type hashtag include and then a bracket iostream bracket. And basically what this does is it is including input-output streams. So that just means you can get input from a user and you can display output. And the next thing you're going to want to do is type using name space standard. And what that does, it makes it so you don't have to type std : in front of everything. If you weren't using that, you would be required to type std : in front of almost anything to make it work. Alright, and then if you've ever coded in C or anything, it's the same thing. You go int main and you make a main function, return 0. And then the basic output function for C is cout, arrow, arrow, arrow to the left, arrow to the left, and in quotation marks you type what you want. So I'm gonna go ahead and type hello world exclamation points. And then just as in most other coding languages, you need to put a semicolon after every command you type. And if you want to add an end line on this, you can go arrow, arrow again and type endl. Or another thing you could do to end a line, instead of doing that, you could go into here and just type /n, and that does the same thing. Okay. I've opened the command prompt, and how you're going to run any C++ program is with G++. And before I do this, I just want to make sure that you know that in order to run these, you need the compiler installed. I'm using Linux, and the compiler is automatically installed in this version of Linux, so I can go ahead and run it. But if you're using something like Windows, you have to install this compiler. So g++ hello world.cpp, and then if I want to name it something, I can type -o. But if I want the default name, which is a.out, I can just leave it blank. I'm gonna go ahead and name it -o. I'm gonna name it hello. And now to run it, I just simply type /hello, and there you go, hello world. Thanks for watching this video. Remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. See you next time.